Hello everyone. This time we'll learn about how to handle the forms or documents that are upside down. So as you can see, this invoice is upside down and this can make it you like get you into a worry situation. But there's nothing to worry. Just click on this button and Abby will take care of it. So now Abby has make it oriented it to a normal position and you can extract any detail out of it. So in case you are getting it the forms or the invoices or any type of documents in a different orientation, then just click on this button and everything will be solved automatically. Thanks for watching.